Welcome back to day 10 of my game dev series, where I code a zombie shooter, wave-based. Last time we added a blast particle effect for the power-up blast. We added some meshes for the power-ups, like for the ammo and for the amplification of damage. And we implemented the logic that was required to make the amp work, and also fix some issues regarding the power-up of the ammo. So all three power-ups work now. The blast effect that kills all the enemies, the ammo that refills the total ammo of the player, and the last one was the damage amplification, like insta-kill in Black Ops, that was implemented last time. This time I am going to add some sound effects and power up yeah, voiceover I recorded previously. If you are interested in seeing how I do this, for example, for this sound effect that I recorded myself using my own voice and some effects in FL Studio, just let me know and I will make a tutorial on that if I can. So maybe a little bit too low volume, so I need to change it maybe two, and this too. Yeah, volume like 2. Yeah.
Max ammo, insta kill. Max ammo.
A little bit louder maybe. You can hear it better.
Insta kill. Max ammo.
Okay.
Insta kill. Max ammo.
So that's for the recording for the power ups. Let's change it back to maybe 2. This one I keep at 1. I think I tuned it up when I was playing it. Side the blueprint. Yeah, that's the insta. That's the boom blast, and that's the max ammo. So let's start maybe with the amp. So insta kill.
Insta kill.
And the volume should be maybe 4 or something. Back blast. And at 2.5, maybe push this back to 1. Oh, we don't have to write it here. Volume, I mean. So let's keep them all to 1.0 volume per default. And then in the blueprint itself, we multiply the volume by 2.5 or something, like we did in the blast. Oh, the amp last one was the ammo sound. The graph, the sound, ammo, max ammo. Yeah. And I said volume multiplier 2.5. Fine. So that. And now can try it out. Let's go to the spawn folder where we have our power-up spawner, the logic where it gets it decides what ammo or what power-up gets spawned. The default power-up is money. They always spawn money if you kill them. Except for certain conditions, the blast requires the player health to be lower or equal to 30% of his health. Then one of the blast item gets spawned. I will work on better conditions in regard to player combat situations that make more sense. That's not ideal, I think, but for now it's okay. The money I will override just for testing. So I switch to ammo. So this will cause all spawns to be ammo, so I can test the sound if it works. Yeah. So let's see.
Max ammo.
Yes.
Max ammo.
Okay, I see another problem with that. No, no problem. Ammo can be spawned all the time. But money can be spawned all the time, but ammo only once in the level until someone collects it and we reset the condition for spawning it. So he has to have low ammunition in his currently equipped weapon. So that's the condition for spawning ammo. So we set it to amp, so we can test the amp sound.
Insta-kill. Insta-kill.
Okay, normally only one insta-kill item would spawn and not multiple items like I showed you just now. It's just for debug purpose. So the default is that it spawns money. And yeah, I just want to know if spawn too much money, but I think it's okay. So let's test the gameplay and see if it still works. So per default it's always money. So a friend of mine mentioned a bug where the player can hide here and all the enemies get confused and stuck because I am not inside the NavMesh, which is required for the AI in order to find the path towards the player. So I will show you this in a second, how to fix it. So if we are here, they will follow me, and if I go to this place, they will get stuck. So we need to fix this. I can write it down so I don't forget it. Fix NavMesh bounce. So I call it the church bug. So let's kill them and spawn some other items. So let's drop our health to below 30. Oops, I've almost died. So this item still works. Boom! And kills them all. Great. So let's get low on ammo, like below 20 bullets. And the currently active weapon, below 20 bullets will spawn one ammunition pack to refill the whole stack. And the condition for the damage amplification is more than 10 enemies on the screen. I need to refine these conditions so it makes more sense and it is balanced, but for now I keep it that way. So why does it spawned money? Good. Okay, all good. All good. Max ammo, sound played. So all good so far. He got a little stuck, but he unstuck himself. Okay. So let's fix the bug first for the church. So as you can see here, that's the NavMesh radius the enemy uses for pathfinding for the move to node. So these areas are places where you can go. So the player can go here, and as you can see, there is no NavMesh. So if the player can go here and is out of the NavMesh bounds, the AI will get stuck, and that's not what I want. So I need to add a blocking volume or extend the NavMesh. So I think I stick with the blocking volume. So it should block the player from getting there. Like, yeah, that should be fine. Yeah, interesting. Now they can go there. So let's block it that way. Maybe extend it a little bit. See if we mess something up behind the... No. Good. So now the player is unable to go there and hide from the enemies. Let's check this. Breakpoint still active. Yeah. Okay, I think that fixed it. Maybe I can move it a little bit more backwards. So let's try again. So the player can stand on this chair. So yeah, that works. Okay, fixed it. So that's done. We previously added the sound effect for the ammo power up, and also for the amp. So that's done. So now we have to work on some kind of indicator for the damage amplification, so the player knows that he has some kind of amp. How can we do that? Or maybe I use post-process effects. maybe we just use a debug text for the first iteration. So something like amp active for the Morgen. Kind geblieben. Cool. Kann man gebrauchen. Erwachsensein ist voll scheiße. So. Let's check the player. Last time we added amp activated event. So we maybe hook this up here. So create widget. And that's the amp widget. Maybe we add it to the viewport. I'm fine, thanks, mir geht's gut. Und dir? User just told me that he has to add 480 items to his game, and so he's preferring to idle and not work on it. So irgendjemand muss die 480 Items reinprügeln. Just fucking do it. So add the viewport. Bam. And then we remove how do I remove a widget from viewport? Chaos in the forums. Move from parent. Want to remove it from the viewport. Okay, let's remove from parent. Remove the widget from its parent widget. This widget was added to the player screen of viewport. It will also be removed. Okay, let's remove from viewport, so to speak. So we can do that after the delay. So just for debug purpose, let's add the damage amp indicator down here. Maybe make it like, no, we keep it white. And where are the anchors? I don't know exactly how this anchor system works. I need to have a look into the widget designer, how to anchor stuff. Yeah, not quite intuitive, but I think it gets the job done. So let's try to get the amp. So maybe we change the conditions so we spawn always the amp for debug. Kind geblieben.
Insta-kill.
Amp is active. Okay. Yeah, just work on it. Just do it. So the amp is active, as you can see, the text above. So it has to be removed after the amp is inactive. Okay, that worked. So if I collect it,
Insta-kill.
amp active shows on the top of the screen, centered. And if the time runs out with the insta kill, then it is gone. Yeah, works. It looks bad, but it's a kind of indicator, so let's do it that way. So let's think about how we can visualize it. Free trial user, I need to subscribe. Not now. Okay, let's do it another way. Crazy ugly. Ja, Fabi, allerdings. So let's add some damage indicator. And yeah, that looks quite really ugly as, yeah. No, I don't want that. So if you got any ideas on how to visualize the damage amplification, like quad damage in my game, let me know. The ugliest thing I've ever seen. No, not what I want. Blood overlay. Okay, 5 mods. Here we go. No, thank you. Maybe I get something I can use already. Materials. Or text. Crazy ugly. Weird shit. Do I have a damage indicator? But I used post-process, not a texture. But I don't have the code anymore, I guess. So if I want to do it that way, I need to implement it. And that's not what I want right now. Just want to indicate the power-up state of the player somehow. Blood. Blood splatter. Ooh. No. No, no, no. Maybe. Na, Fabi, alles fit? I just asked Fabson83 if he's fine, he's doing well. Seems to be AFK. gone. So that's the shittiest amp indicator in the history of first-person shooter games. But I think I'll keep it that way for now. So let's spawn damage amp. Debug.
Insta-kill.
Okay, one can see that the amp is active.
Insta-kill.
And active. 15 seconds. Should disable it. Still active. Do we have a bug? That's not good. So let's see. Let's check if the amp is active. Prevent activating it again. Collect 2. Let's make
Insta-kill. 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 Insta-kill.
maybe we display the time of the time left of the damage amp, or maybe not. No, I don't need that. So let's stick to that.
Insta-kill. Insta-kill. kill.
Should disable. Yeah. So now work.
Insta kill. Max ammo.
Interesting. I need the cooldown for the blast, I think. So for now, I consider the amp indicator done. So the amp plays the sound if you collect it, and then we show the active state of the amp. Oh, get it. Okay, nice. So for today, I finished the bug for the NavMesh bounce that the player got stuck. Not the player. The enemy got stuck if you move towards or outside of the NavMesh. Was the part like here. So I added this blocking volume so the player can't reach this place. So the enemy won't get confused. That was the first point we fixed. Ammo power up is done. That was the sound effect I added, and also for the amp. And I added a indicator that gets displayed when we collect the amp. Default item is money. So should be good. Can we do some more? Already done. Logic takes the player state into account that was implemented we can maybe some batteries to my controller. And just for fun, add a second player, maybe just to see what happens. We create a new local player and assign the next available ID, and we only do that once. and max players is 2. Okay. As you can see, the weapon is not visible and the muzzle flash is on the wrong place. So that needs to be fixed. And also the the widgets, the HUD is attached to the viewport of all of the players, and that's not correct. We need individually place the viewport to the corresponding play ID if we want to have a split screen experience. And as you can see, they only attack like me and not the other player, since they statically attack player 0 only, which is me. So that has to be changed too in order to make it playable. Yeah. But other than that, I think I can get this 2-player split screen working. Another thing is that the difficulty is maybe a little bit on the lighter side, because we on the exact amount of enemies for single player. So we should increase that too if we want to play in split screen mode. So don't kill him, please. Damn it, they killed me. Okay, that's one thing I wanted to change. So let's undo this just for testing. Consider it done. Yeah. And remove it from the level blueprint. So maybe I will focus on this next time. Because it's very good to have a 2-player split screen for playtesting and to make it more fun and balance it and experience the feedback of other players. So maybe that's nice, and we make some sessions where we play 2-player mode, survival. If you got any ideas on the gameplay, so currently it gets just the next wave and the next wave, and the enemies get stronger and more resilient and get more health and stuff, and it gets harder and they get more and more and more until you almost cannot survive. So that's, I call it the survival mode or something. If you have any ideas how to extend it or to make it more fun, or to bring this spawn logic into a more fun state, like experiencing other goals or gameplay, just let me know. For now, it's pure survival and spawn until you die. We could make it like progressing in the level, so like you maybe have to open this door using money, like you have in Black Ops Zombies. And if you progress towards here, maybe we get a new gun or something, like this one right there. Maybe it's placed here inside. Or outside. Outside. Yeah, and we could also close this one, kind of. We need to fix this. Maybe we add some like level progression stuff. First, he needs to fight his way out of the graveyard. Maybe so 5 waves or something. Then he needs to fight some, maybe a boss fight here. Like, and then can get out. And that's it. So I appreciate any ideas. If you have them, let me know. This. We maybe a shotgun or something. Yeah, it would be important for this to happen. So we need currently the damage of the weapons are equal, like the damage amount is like the same, but I need a damage change in different weapons. Sniper, for example, has to create more damage than like the SMG and something, and that needs to be implemented also maybe next time. Weapon damage. So each it's individual damage. Damage strength. That was done. Power-ups were implemented. All weapons are available. So we can just select them here. Like these are all weapons. SMG can be customized further down the road. A rocket launcher, gun, grenade, assault rifle. Yeah, maybe I need to add another drop down to change the look of the gun or something. Like they can look in different colors and have different attachments and silencer and stuff. But I need to think about it, how to add this to the game. So I stick to the raw guns without any attachments, so on. So here I wanted the shotgun to be present. The shotgun needs to create massive damage because it's really slow to reload it and stuff, and so it has to have almost most damage of all weapons to make sense. So almost one shot, one kill like. Or spread of the bullets. Yeah, something like that. So if we open here, okay, can just get it. No, we cannot. Why? Oh, okay, we're stuck in the blocking volume. Blocking. We move. Yeah. Let's see. So this weapon has already some silencer attachments. I need to get rid of this. Okay.
Max ammo. Max ammo.
Why? Funny. Why do we have on? Yeah. Let's see. Did we introduce a second bug? Just give me without scope. Pause. Oh, no ammo. Okay, that's weird. Okay, that's seriously wrong. Oh, god damn it. I think I'll leave it for now. That would be a great screenshot, I assume. Damn it. So it sticks to blast. And we'll never get back to money. What the hell? That looks good. Let's get damaged. Okay, already twice. And a third one. That should not be. Blast. At all. Got a dead end here. Revert money. Okay, controller turned off. Oh. Money. I take damage. Money. Okay. Scope, please. And with it. Oof. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, much better. Okay, let's try it. Oh, now I get low on ammo. And it should spawn ammo. Like, total is more than 20. So now it should start spawning ammo. Yes. But only once, I hope. Yeah. Fall back to money.
Max ammo.
And now try damage amp. Kill him too. And any enemies left? No. So here could be the place where the boss rises in the final fight. Kind of fun. Yeah, I need to make the shotgun stronger. And the money that gets spawned if the player has less than 20 bullets, it's a little bit too high. Because shotgun has almost always like low amounts of bullets. Let's stick to maybe 10, maybe 10, yeah. So what I need to be thinking about is if we are low on ammo and we collected the ammunition, will it spawn again? No, no, we checked for that. So just once if the player has lower or equal than 10 bullets or shells left. Need to fix also the grenades, the explosion, particle effect, and decals won't get applied to the surface of the map. So as you can see, just a partial explosion and there's an effect missing. Is there a blocking volume? Can we go through? Okay, that needs to be fixed too. Okay. So far so good. Okay, I considered it done for today. Maybe add some more items to the day 11. I have to think about it. Yeah, damage strength of each weapon needs to be added. Attachments. Yeah, and blocking volumes for outside graveyard. Okay. Sounds added, damage amplification indicator added. Play tested it. Yeah. I think that's good for now. Yeah, and the 11, I think we work on the individual damage of the weapons. So shotgun creates more damage than, for example, the SMG. And the assault rifle should also increase damage in regards to SMG. Yeah, that will be done next time. Thanks for watching, and until next session. Bye.